Bitcoin inches towards $48,000. Ethereum stays below $2,500. Philippines may introduce non-blockchain CBDC in the next 2 years. Ethereum gas fees hit 8-month high amid ERC 404 craze. Pudgy Penguins NFT collection hit a new all-time high. OKX rolls out crypto exchange services in Argentina. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Shikha Singh. Watch why digital assets were trading lower in the past 24 hours as markets decided to take a breather after collecting best weekly gains led by fund inflows in the recently launched spot Bitcoin exchange traded funds. Bitcoin rose past $48,000 crucial levels before retreating lower. Shubham Joshi joins us to tell us about how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
IC15 index of cryptocurrencies were trading down by 1% at 60,400 points. The recent buying frenzy in cryptocurrencies resulted in the total market capitalization approaching the crucial $2 trillion mark. The partial pullback observed today can be attributed to traders turning cautious ahead of the busy calendar schedule. While the markets will focus on key economic events including the US CPI data, which will help assess Federal Reserve's stance on the interest rate. Further, analysts expect the US CPI data to come around 2.9% for the month of January versus previous month's reading of 3.4%. Earlier in the day, Bitcoin price crossed the key hurdle above $48,600 as the US-based spot Bitcoin exchange traded funds continued to receive huge net inflows. Interestingly, the losses incurred post-ETF approval are almost wiped off, with Bitcoin now reaching the same levels observed during the ETF approval week. Then the downturn period was driven by institutional selling to capitalize on the ETF-induced demand surge. Meanwhile, the Bitcoin ETFs have reached a $10 billion milestone in assets under management, with net inflows reaching $2.7 billion on January 9th. BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust currently holds Bitcoin worth $4 billion, while Fidelity's Vice Origin Bitcoin Fund has over $3.4 billion in Bitcoin under management. Another noteworthy update is the number of Bitcoin addresses in the profit has now crossed over 90%. Well, according to data from Into the Block, 91% of Bitcoin addresses are currently profitable. This means the vast majority of holders and investors have an incentive to continue holding, particularly as the next halving for Bitcoin miners approaches. Furthermore, on-chain data shows that Bitcoin mining difficulty has jumped sharply in the past few years and is now sitting at its highest level on record. Talking about the overall crypto markets, the global cryptocurrency market capitalization were at $1.7 trillion mark, decreasing 1.3% in the last 24 hours. However, the total trading volume increased by 2% to $46 billion. Talking about the second largest cryptocurrency, Ethereum has managed to push the strong resistance level of $2,500. The date for the Denken upgrade, the much-awaited proto-danksharding, was announced. March 13 is the date when the blockchain will move to the cost-effective Layer 2 network. In another interesting report from Messari, a significant increase of around 490% is witnessed in creation of non-fungible tokens on the XRP ledger in the last quarter of 2023. This surge in activity underscores the growing prominence of NFTs within the XRPL ecosystem. Interestingly, Chainlink has seen a surge in the value as a mysterious wallet continues to accumulate 83.6 million worth of Link tokens over the past 5 days. The whale has used 55 new wallets on Binance to accumulate 4.56 million Link tokens. However, Chainlink has now surpassed DogeCoin to become the 10th largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. Talking about US stock futures, they traded mixed as investors kept an eye on key economic data scheduled later in the week. Futures tied to the S&P 500 traded flat, while Dow Jones Industrial Average futures were 0.08% lower, with Nasdaq 100 futures traded at 0.07% higher. Bitcoin was trading at $47,950, down 0.4%. Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency, was down by 2%, trading at $2,483. Talking about other coins, BNB was down by 2% to trade at $316. Solana Sol was down 4.5% and was trading at $105. Cardano's ADA token was down by 3.7% to trade at $0.53. Next on the list, Avalanche AVAX was trading at $39, lower 4.2%. Polygon Matic was trading down by 3.6% to trade at $0.82. Next on the list, Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading down by 3.4% at $0.079. Well, Shiba Inu was trading down by 2.3%. Next, Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.51, down by 3%. And lastly, Polkadot was trading down by 3.3% to trade at $7.
Thank you, Shubham, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now back to the headlines. The governor of Banco Central NG Filipinas, Eli Remolona Jr., has revealed his intention to introduce a wholesale central bank digital currency in the new next year. Speaking to a local newspaper, The Inquirer, on February 12th, Remolona explained the details behind the BSP's plan to develop a CBDC. The central bank won't be using blockchain technology in his project. Instead, the CBDC will operate on the payment and settlement system, which the central bank owns. The BSP will focus on the wholesale CBDC, which will be mediated by the banks. The bank is skeptical about potential problems with the retail CBDC disintermediation bank runs during financial stress and further magnifying for a central bank footprint. Ethereum network gas fees reached an 8-month high amid a frenzy of interest for a new unofficial experimental token standard dubbed ERC-404. Ethereum network gas prices reached an average peak of 70 GWEI, $60 for a standard transactions on February 9th, with the peak gas costs surging as high as 377 GWEI, a level not seen since May 12, 2023. While the causes of the gas price surge can be attributed to various factors, the spike arrived when the hype around ERC-404 token standard began to pick up steam throughout the crypto sector. The ERC-404 wave was kicked on February 5th when a project called Pandora launched the experimental standard. It has since gained over 6,100% and had over $474 million in volume. ERC-404 aims to bind ERC-721 non-fungible tokens to ERC-20 tokens, allowing for what some have described as fractionalized NFTs, allowing multiple wallets to each own a portion of a single NFT and use that portion to trade with or stake for loans. The Pudgy Penguins NFT collection soared to an unprecedented peak today. Its floor price reached a new all-time high of 21.7 Ethereum. This significant milestone highlights the collection's escalating popularity and the increasing investor confidence in the digital art and collectibles market. The Pudgy Penguins NFT collection is escalating in popularity, with a current floor price equivalent to $54,529. It has seen a significant uptick in the market capitalization. Indeed, it now stands at an impressive $484 million. Originating from a diverse array of 150 hand-drawn trades, these 8,888 unique NFTs have captivated the crypto community, especially for its ethos of spreading good vibes across the meta. Since the launch on July 22, 2021, when it sold out in a mere 19 minutes at an initial mint price of 0.3 Ethereum, the collection's value trajectory has skyrocketed. Cryptocurrency exchange OKX has announced its expansion into Argentina as a part of its ongoing strategy to target the Latin American market. The move follows its launch in Brazil in late 2023. In a recent statement, OKX announced that the Argentine users will be able to access OKX's crypto exchange platform, along with a self-custody wallet and the ability to trade in non-fungible tokens. Argentina ranks 15th on the Chainalysis 2023 Global Crypto Adoption Index, a metric that assesses on-chain and real-world data to measure which nations are at the forefront of crypto adoption. Meanwhile, Brazil ranks 9th. The announcement comes approximately 9 months after competitor crypto exchange Binance launched exchange services in Argentina. Now let's go to Shubham Joshi to get an update on the buzzing coins of the day.
Well, now let's move on to the buzzing coins of the day. First on the list, we have Chainlink. Chainlink has seen a surge in value as a mysterious wallet continues to accumulate $83.6 million worth of Link tokens over the past 5 days. The whale has used 55 new wallets in Binance to accumulate 4.56 million tokens. This follows a pattern of unusual activity surrounding Chainlink, with new unknown wallets withdrawing over 2.2 million Link tokens valued at $42.4 million and 8 new wallets withdrawing 227,000 Link tokens worth $4.12 million just before a significant price surge. The token was trading at $20, down 2% in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have Ethereum. Ethereum's Denken upgrade aims to improve traffic and user experience by expanding highways and introducing new lanes and fast tracks. This upgrade demonstrates Ethereum's commitment to scalability and affordability, aiming to lower the gas fees and enhance the network capacity. The 10th upgrade is, however, set to launch on March 13th. The update, known as Geth, includes the main fork number for Cancan, marking the biggest change on the Ethereum blockchain since the Shanghai upgrade in April 2023. This update is expected to embed the proto-target feature. Ethereum was trading at $2,500, down nearly 2% in the past 24 hours. Moving forward, we had Dimension token. Dimension, a modular blockchain, has seen 30% surge in the crypto market for the second consecutive day. The token's trading volume soared over 7,000 persons on its debut day and now surged nearly 25%, reaching $7.87. Dimension is the 65th largest cryptocurrency, taking over popular meme coins like Bonk and gaming tokens like the Sandbox and Axie Infinity. Its Layer 1 blockchain system aims to enhance the scalability and efficiency in blockchain systems, allowing for the creation of deployable and high-speed modular blockchains called rollups. Talking about its price, the token was trading down by 6% at $7. Next on the list, we have Bonk token. Bonk is a popular meme token in the cryptocurrency market, which has seen a 30% increase in its value in the last 3 days, reaching its highest level within the month. This raises questions about whether other popular meme coins like DogeCoin, Shiba Inu, and Pepe will follow its suit. However, analysts suggest that the meme coin bull run is beginning as Bonk and WIF experience price significant surges, preparing for a dramatic comeback. Market leader Bonk has risen 40% since its recent lows, breaking a long-term consolidation pattern, while DogWave Hat has also showed momentum. The token was trading down 9% in the past 24 hours. Last on the list, we have Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu rate burn increased by 191% in the past 24 hours, ending on February 9, 2024, with around 7.65 billion Shiba removed from the circulation. The latest burn has taken the number of coins torched to 410 trillion, leaving approximately 581 trillion in circulation. Well, around 410 trillion of the 1 quadrillion supply of Shiba Inu tokens have been sent to the burn wallets. Shiba Inu was trading down nearly 3% in the last 24 hours.
Well, that's all in today's special segment. For more such updates, follow 3.0TV or log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code to know more.